Get it? Text a message, I don't know the number. Flexing on these niggas, every bone and muscle. Steady.
Yo, what's good, Gritty Gang? It's Gritty back on another video. Today's video is a bit different, man. I'm doing a video that I've actually done in the past, but I'm kind of just giving an update on it. Now, I'm doing a hair video. The last hair video I did really well, so I was like, I need to do an update because I do my hair a bit different now, and a lot of people have been asking me questions recently and on the last video that I didn't really answer. So I was like, I need to make a video, answer more of the questions that I got, and we're just gonna go over the whole process of how I get my hair done. Now the hair's a bit different now. I had box braids before. Now I got 2-strand twists, which is a bit different of a process. Braids is kind of like a 3-hair wrap, and then 2-strand twist is more of like just double twisting it and stuff like that. So it's a lot easier of a hairstyle to do. It's a lot easier of a hairstyle to take down. So I just think that overall this is a more comfortable hairstyle for me. If you can also, if you're by yourself, you can do this hairstyle yourself. It's super easy to do. If you get it done and you need it kind of like redone, you can just twist it up real easy. It doesn't take very long depending on how many you have, and just the overall process is just easier, man. So I'm gonna run through that. I actually need a haircut and stuff like that, so I'm gonna go get a haircut, wash my hair, take these down, all that good stuff, and we're gonna go over the process. I also want to mention that there are a bunch of different people that you probably seen with 2-strand twists if you didn't really know what it was called. Now people with dreads a lot of times get this type of a hairstyle. You can see people like Playboi Carti. He used to have like these real floppy loose dreads, and now he kind of has like bigger dreads, it looks like, but really they're just the same ones, 2-strand twisted. A lot of people do this. I've seen Ian Connor do this. I've seen Keef. Just a bunch of different people with dreadlocks. Now you don't have to have dreadlocks. I'm just giving that kind of an option. So enough of me rambling, man. We will get into the video of how I get my hair done. Let's get it.
The weather cold, the weather so chill, chilly, willy, penguin feather road. Cause I'm sipping pro, yeah, that meth is pro methazine. Yes.
Got done washing my hair. When I said earlier that it was like between right here, I lied. You know what I'm saying? Boy draped up, but everything's washed and all that. So now I'm about to get it twisted. So should be good. All right, so last time I didn't really talk about what I get put in my hair. Basically, it's the same stuff as last time, but I get this Cantu shea butter put in my hair right after I wash it, and then I use the Vaseline or petroleum jelly to kind of like seal it. Then blow dry it, then the whole twist process starts.
Look up my gown, I ain't go to class. I'd rather die before I come in last. I ain't felt like this in a long time. I ain't felt like this in a long time. I ain't had shit in a long time.
Alright, so it's actually the next day, so I've already like slept on it and everything. It was getting way too dark in the last video when I was trying to record the actual process of me getting it done, but overall, man, this is the turnout. Basically, the only difference in a regular 2-strand twist is I get it braided at the roots, so it kind of holds for longer, because a lot of times if you just do the regular twist without doing the braid, it just like will fluff up at the ends. And it won't last as long as an overall hairstyle. And I know a lot of people go get their hair done, they pay a lot of money to get their hair done, so you want it to last long. Mine usually lasts about 2 weeks. So once every 2 weeks I'll get it done, and it will stay. I'll usually just sleep with my do-rag on and everything, so it will usually stay for at least a week. It'll be a solid week before it starts fluffing up and stuff like that. But after that happens, you can always just retwist it and stuff like that. But besides that, there's a couple of different ways that I do it. Y'all know I do the 2 ponytails, but I also do the one in the front, which I think a lot of people gravitated towards because it really makes your hair look more full and long. So I'll show y'all that real quick, but besides that, man, yeah. So that's pretty much a way that I style it. Like I said, you can put it in a bunch of different ponytails and stuff like that. That's just one of the ways, or one of the looks that I like to go with. And overall, that's pretty much it for the video. I have 32 brick style twists, so if you're trying to go and ask for what I have, that's what you can ask for, I'm sure. So that's pretty much it for the video, man. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you go down, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share it to a friend, or anybody who needs a new hairstyle or something different to do. So appreciate y'all for watching, man. I'll be back to you with more. Peace.
I can feel the bass from the ceiling to the basement. I don't feel a thing.